Charles L. Cook, and I've lived in Wyoming all my life. And I am a Wyoming cowboy. I ran in a camp with an old fellow by the name of Fred. And that's all I ever knew him by, was old Fred. And I was just a kid. He told me stories of his life. And I think back, I don't know if it was all true, but it don't make any difference. It was, to me, it was exciting. But I got thinking about it, and Fred had a crippled hand. He got caught up in a rope. And so I wrote a poem, and I call it The Gnarled and Twisted Hand. The old cowboy picked up a pencil in his gnarled and twisted hand. He wanted to write about his life in this wild and western land. He wanted to tell about riding on the Powder, running horses in the Missouri breaks, punching cows in Idaho down along the Snake. Or he wanted to tell of his homestead days. With a team, he plowed the land. That's just some of the things he wanted to tell with that pencil in his gnarled and twisted hand. And he wanted to tell how the fever took his woman and left him there all alone. He saddled up and left that homestead, the only place he'd ever known as home. And he went to breaking mustangs down Nevada way. He was known as a top-notch twister, but for very little pay. And he met up with some rustlers, got in trouble with the law, and he hightailed it to Montana and wintered with a Blackfoot squaw. He slipped down to Mexico, helped trail 1,000 head across the Rio Grande. That's just some of the things he wanted to tell with that pencil in his gnarled and twisted hand. And how he rode with them vaqueros and their style. He tried to learn how they take 70 foot of rawhide, rope a wild cow, just take one rap and let it burn. That was a tough part for him. He'd always been a hard, fast man. But that's the reason he holds the pencil in that gnarled and twisted hand.
Sweet Wyoming home.